could be damage from common anti-inflammatory drugs like NSAIDs, chronic inflammation from stress, or an infection from bacteria like Helicobacter pylori, a top cause of stomach injuries worldwide. When that damage happens, especially when it's bad enough to take out the stomach's acid-producing cells, a state of emergency is declared. The stomach lining is in trouble. And this is where the chief cell's secret identity comes into play. In response to the damage, these specialized cells get repurposed into regenerative cells. They're recruited to revert to a more basic, stem cell-like state, a process we now know is way more common than previously thought, even happening during routine maintenance. This amazing ability for a specialized cell to completely change its job is called cellular plasticity, and chief cells are absolute masters of it. When the alarm sounds, the chief cells begin a mind-blowing transformation. This programmed response has a name: Paligenesis. The term comes from Greek, meaning backward born or born again. It's a highly conserved biological program that lets mature cells jump back into the cell cycle to regenerate damaged tissue, and it's been seen in different organs and across different species. First up, Stage 1. Demolition and self-digestion. The chief cell has to dismantle its entire digestive enzyme factory. It uses a process called autophagy to break down and recycle its own parts. Imagine a factory intentionally tearing down its assembly lines and melting them for scrap to build something totally new. That brings us to Stage 2, genetic reprogramming. With its old identity erased, the cell fires up a new set of genes, including embryonic and wound-healing ones. The cell morphs into what's known as a spasmolytic polypeptide-expressing metaplasia, SPM cell. Think of this as a transitional form, a repair specialist. Instead of digestive enzymes, it now churns out protective substances and proteins that help with wound healing. It has fundamentally changed its job from digester to healer. Finally, Stage 3, proliferation. Now reprogrammed, these repair cells start to divide, creating an army of new cells. These new cells can then specialize and rebuild all the different parts of a functional stomach gland, replacing everything that was lost. The factory worker has become the master builder, leading a crew to construct a brand new, healthy stomach lining from the ground up. It's an incredible process, and it's happening inside your body without you even noticing.